Two Gas the Prince. What's up? Still pretending on these airplanes, wishing upon a star that's so far. Call a car cause it's time to go. Is this true? Cause I don't want to spit a lie to the youth on the stage with the number 2. The span's still going and I'm still rhyming with my vocal cords that's damaged and mentally swollen. Fuck, I'm falling and that's what the fuck I said. So catch him slipping and see his people dipping. Get him flipping. I don't give a fuck cause we tripping.